Well, say, folks, look at what I got right there. I ain't never worked on one. SR Elite. I did notice when I brought it up in the air, carburetor looks a little wet right up in there. Get a little charge on the battery. Well, we got a couple good hours of charge on it. I want to see what my battery voltage is at this point. Get in here and check it. Oh, you can see that 12.9. I think we'll start with that. Now I ramble on a bit. Just let's hear me out. This is not piece of equipment I'm accustomed to working on. But I think that's the subject of this video. Just because you haven't worked on one doesn't mean you don't have the ability to. Take your time, investigate, learn. Looks like there's a bolt missing there. Take a picture, make a video of it so you know where the devil things go. Didn't give me much more access, did it? Not like a joint. Let's start taking something off till something gets loose. Take it apart till something comes off. There we go. Well, we got it down to that point. Well, they say when you shoot it with a little go juice, see what happens. That's what I'm voting for. Alright, that got me just a little mix here. See if I can speed it up in there. See what she'll do. I don't know if you heard it, that girl bust off. So let's get this fueling system checked out. Needed a little more room to get in here to work, so took a few fasteners off, some plastic little buttons, and now this cover comes off. Wonder if it's going back on. And upon a little closer inspection, looks like now I can get in here and remove this carburetor. I devil with that to get the camera fixed. I can't find my doggone wrench. What'd I do with it? Doggone my hide. Still got my doggone wrench. I don't want that out here. I just use this. Yeah. Nah. That smell like that old guy. What do you got? I'm about. We got it off of there. We ain't broke anything yet. I'm wondering about that solenoid that went in this hole right here, because I hit the power on it and I didn't see it retract. So we may get into that, but I want to see what's in this. And as you can see, that breaks loose way too easy for something that ain't nobody worked on. I don't know about that. Now, I will say this. Ain't nobody worked on it in 6 months because it's been sitting in the corner of my shop. Here comes the moment of truth. We're gonna find out where Stinky lives, because I smell it. Whew. I would say that could use a little cleaning. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do a thorough carburetor cleaning on this. Look at that mess. Look at this carburetor. I hope a camera picked that mess up. That is clogged. There's no fuel going through that. I'm gonna get it tore down. And we're gonna do a cleaning on it. We're gonna check the fuel, get the oil tank, the gas tank cleaned up, and go from there. I ain't believing that. I ain't believing that. That didn't fight me in there not one bit. I ain't got one of these. So guess who's being careful? I know I ain't got one of these. I ain't gonna get lucky like Rayla did on that doggone outboard. There. There's that. Got no juice. Now I got some juice. Right now, right? What I gotta do? I'm going to the park. Stop! Just stop right here. We ain't doing nothing else on that scooter right now. Tell you what, got a carburetor problem. I need some parts. Need a carburetor. But I've seen some other things that were pretty interesting to me on that unit. I'd like to explore it a little further. I'd like to show you what I did to check them out. So that being said, if you don't mind, instead of me doing a 4-hour long video, I'm gonna bust this thing up. We should be getting some parts in here in the next day or so. But that being said, if you've enjoyed this video and you love to make a comment, do me a favor. Guess the year model of the scooter that Rooster's working on. And the first person to get it right in the comments and get it posted in the comments before my next video on this scooter comes out, well, you're going to be the proud owner of a Rusty Rooster hat patch. You provide the hat and the iron. Hey, till next time, we'll be seeing you then. Hey, I got to go.